In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix network discovery turned off in Windows 11. Easy fix. If your computer can't see other devices on your network or the network section in File Explorer looks empty, network discovery is probably turned off. Windows disables discovery on public networks for your safety, so the fix is to make sure you're on a trusted private network and then turn discovery on. I'll walk you through both parts, step by step. Start by switching your connection to a private profile. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Here, select the connection you're actually using. If you're on Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi and then the network you're connected to. If you're using a cable, choose Ethernet. On the page for that connection, set the network profile to Private. Private is designed for home and work networks you trust, and it allows your PC to be discoverable by other devices. Leave it on public only when you're on places like coffee shop Wi-Fi, airports, or hotels where discovery is intentionally blocked for security. With the profile set correctly, it's time to enable the discovery switch. Still in Settings, stay in Network and Internet, and scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Open that and then select Advanced Sharing Settings. Under the section labeled Private Networks, find Network Discovery and toggle it to On. This tells Windows that it's okay for your PC to see and be seen by other devices on your private network. Some versions also show an option to automatically set up network-connected devices. Keeping that on helps printers and shared devices appear more quickly. Give it a moment, then open File Explorer and click Network on the left. You might need to refresh the view the first time. If you've just changed profiles or toggles, Windows may take a short while to populate devices. Make sure any other computers or printers you expect to see are also connected to the same private network. A quick recap. First, set your active connection to private in Settings under Network and Internet, and then turn on Network Discovery in Advanced Network Settings inside Advanced Sharing Settings under the Private Network section. Those two changes resolve most network discovery is turned off messages in Windows 11 while keeping you safe on untrusted networks. That's it. If this helped, take a second to test by opening the network view in File Explorer and confirming your devices show up. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more connected Windows 11 experience.